Breaking inputs coming in as far as the Karnataka government's changes are concerned. We have some breaking inputs coming in now after the textbook row. The Congress government is all set to review land allotments done to RSS affiliated organizations. This is what the Revenue Minister of Karnataka, R. Ashoka, has to say. He's saying that we will scrutinize land allotments done in the last 4 to 5 months of the BJP government. This is what Karnataka's Revenue Minister is saying, that Chief Minister has asked him to relook at the allotments done after December of 2022. Krishna Bairagowda land allotted by previous BJP government to various universities, including Chanakya University, and organizations linked to the RSS are, of course, under scanner. This is what Karnataka's Revenue Minister has just announced. R. Ashoka is now going to be reviewing those land allotments. Let's also listen into what he has to say.
ಅದು ನಾವು ರೀವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ನಂತರ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೊನೆಯ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ತೀರ್ಮಾನಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸೂಕ್ತ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ನಂತರ ಮಂಜೂರಾಗಿರುವ ಜಮೀನುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಎಂ ಅವರು ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಕೆದಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಹಿಂದಿನವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಂಡು ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 4-5 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತರಾತುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ.
Akshara joins us on the phone line. Akshara, going by what Bairagowda has to say, it's important to, in fact, bring into focus what are the reasons being cited by the government in terms of reviewing these allotments.
Well, right now, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said that they must review all the land allotment because they have given they have claimed that all these land allotment were done based on the fact that they belong to an RSS affiliation universities, and these universities are affiliated with the RSS. That's one of the major reasons why it's being done. So remember, this is not the first time. Even previously as well, the Congress party had alleged that certain land allotments were done based on the sole reason that these associations affiliate themselves with the RSS ideology. That's one of the reasons which they are given now. With now the Congress government, which has the party which has come to power, will review once again all these land affiliations and ensure that which they claim that they ensure that they will get the proper beneficiaries will get the land allotment, not just because of the reason that all these universities which have got land allotment because they are affiliated with the RSS. So that's the word coming in from the Congress party, which will quickly relook into all the land allotments here.
Absolutely. Akshara, also important to discuss the fact that this is not... All right, Madhu and Rao of the BJP is joining me on the phone line. Mr. Rao, how do you assess this development? First, it is the textbooks. Now, it is the land which they say is affiliated with the RSS. That will also be relooked into. Having said that, this is not the first time that such land allotments are going to be cancelled.
Well, I think this... first of all, these are all diversionary tactics by the present government. You see, now they are unable to back up the implementation with regard to the guarantee scheme. So they have to somehow deflect the issues and they want to rake up the sentiments. So this is one of such methodologies which the Congress government here is thinking of. But one thing I can tell you, in this country, there have been situations where Congress government has done so many things. They have handed lands to so many people. Let those things also be opened up. We have no issues. But one thing is for sure, whatever has been legally done will be legally persistent. If anything is illegal, then any person for that matter who has a right as a citizen can question it. Absolutely no issues on that. But the question is, why now? What is the intention behind doing all these things by the Congress government? The intention speaks of itself. They are just diverting things. They are just trying to rake up the sentiments of the people. Why was it required at this point of time? What was the necessity? If such is the case, let them do for all the allotments whatever has been done right from time immemorial. Like that should also be taken into consideration.
In fact, I'm also joined in by Ramesh Babu of the Congress party right now on the phone line. Mr. Babu, if you heard what Madhu Rao has to say, they're saying that even the Congress party has allotted land and, has had in fact, resorted to favoritism as well. And if the BJP has done anything illegal, then they need to be hauled up. But Madhu Rao is very confident that the BJP has not resorted to anything that is illegal, A. B, that this is a diversionary tactic on behalf of your party. Ramesh Babu, that question is for you. All right, Madhu, we'll try and reconnect with Ramesh Babu. In the meantime, I want to ask you, do you see that there's a pattern behind such a move? Because even in 2018, the Congress government resorted to undoing those land allotments. Do you see some kind of a pattern, and is there vendetta politics behind this?
Well, the very fact that they are trying to rake up so many issues. Now, for example, kindly see. When they came into power, they told guarantees will be implemented. They were not able to implement. And we never told that 24 hours would be a honeymoon period for them. They themselves told they are not able to satisfy that. So they have to deflect the issues. Then they talk about house water. Then all of a sudden they talk about this aspect of land allotment. And all of a sudden some other minister talks about textbook revision. So this is a clear indication where I see for the first time an elected government with around 136 seats is being rattled and confused as to what is the course of action they should have. I mean, this is really a nightmare for them. Perhaps they are not able to digest the fact as to how to deflect the issue of guarantees, because they have been held for ransom by the people. I mean, these questions are being posed by the people of Karnataka. No more political party, including us, we are asking the questions with regard to guarantees. So they want to deflect, they want to divert. So what is the methodology to be adopted? This is one of the methodologies which they want to adopt, and they want to do vindictive politics. They want to do such type of politics. Perhaps it shows their intention behind as to what they're doing.
All right, Madhu, Ramesh Babu is back with us. Let me try and reconnect with him. Ramesh Babu, अगर आपको आवाज आ रही है, आपने सुना मधु राव क्या कह रहे हैं, ये एक डाइवर्जनरी टैक्टिक कहा जा रहा है. बीजेपी का कहना ये है कि क्योंकि आप सिक्योरिटी गारंटीज जो प्रॉमिस करके आए थे पार में, वो आप नहीं डिलीवर कर पा रहे हैं, इसलिए आप एक रिलीजन को या एक आइडियोलॉजी को एक मुद्दा बनाना चाहते हैं.
No, is it Ramesh Babu or Nagaraj Yadav? Hello.
Hello, is this Mr. Babu?
No, I am Nagaraj Yadav. You are quoting Ramesh Babu. I will not talk. I am Nagaraj Yadav.
Mr. Nagaraj Yadav, I'd like to offer my apologies. I was not informed about your name. Please go ahead. This question is for you now. If you could please share your assessment.
Yeah, I was just hearing to the Madhu Rao's statements on the present episode. Government of Karnataka is very, very clear on their issues. We will not do any vindictive kind of politics or administration. Any actions taken by the BJP government in the way of an election, if it is lawfully right, constitutionally right, we shall accept it. If it is lawfully not right and if it is constitutionally not correct, and if we try to review the subjects, what is the problem for BJP? We don't have to deviate from one subject to other subject to convince people we are not going in for election tomorrow evening. We are running an administration with the purview and within the framework of the constitution.
But if a land is allotted to a university, Mr. Nagaraj, what is the harm? This is a university that land has been allotted to.
No, is the revenue minister spoken about a particular organization or a particular institution? No. It is any land allotted to anybody within the span of 6 months here.
All
if
right.
It is lawfully allotted. No, let me complete it. If it is lawfully allotted and enough land is given or excess land is given, at this, what cost it is given, is this the same principle?
But Mr. Nagaraj Yadav, your party does seem to be targeting a particular organization. Is this not political vendetta?
As such. If somebody is feeling guilty, it is their problem. It is not Congress problem.
Guilty
Congress
about what? Guilty
equal.
about what?
Guilty about the land been allotted with a lesser cost by violating the constitutional norms.
All right, Mr. Yadav, thank you so much for sharing your inputs. Many thanks to Madhu Rao as well. And with that, let's now